What's going on, guys? It's Ed Power Sports here today with a quick video on the 2024 Indian Scout ABS Icon. Just gonna do a quick walk around, start her up. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Just want you guys to see the bike. We're located here in Ocala, Florida, Indian Motorcycles. This is one of our really nice bikes that we have a huge discount on. Let me show you. This is a brand new motorcycle. So this bike's got 19 miles. Oh, if it wants to focus, sorry. Yep, 19 miles on this brand new bike. Currently have it discounted. Original MSRP is $15,649. We have it on sale, $12,971. We're gonna start her up here. We have the biggest selection of Indian motorcycles here at Indian Motorcycles in Ocala. I got some bikes right now in Daytona at Bike Week. I will have more back. But if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Beautiful color with the saddlebags. Check this out. And thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen.